Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Southeast Asia and a neighbor to Thailand, Indonesia, and Brunei. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Malaysia, Malaysia, Malaysia. Malaysia is known for its diverse cultures and beautiful landscapes, from its bustling cities like Kuala Lumpur to its stunning beaches and rainforests. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Malaysia, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.